Independent Lasagna Productions presents How to Food. On this episode, we're making easy guacamole. Arriba. What you're gonna need? Well, you're gonna need an avocado, some salsa, a wedge of lime, and some salt. Now, you're gonna need a bowl to mix that in, but go ahead and half that avocado, cut it right around the center, pop it out, take that knife, twist that seed out, boom. Now we're gonna take a spoon and just work it around the skin, pop it out all nice, yeah, just like that. Then we're gonna add our salsa. Yeah, just, slowly dab that salsa on top of that avocado, real nice and gentle knife. And then we're gonna go ahead and squeeze in our lime. So juicy, squeeze it real good. Get all the juice out. Careful, don't get it in your eye. Lime. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our salt. A few grains at a time, just sprinkle it on top there. Yep, looking good. Now we're gonna mash it all together, real quick, like boom, mash. There we go. That is easy guacamole. Enjoy. Now you can make easy guacamole at home. Do you have a fun recipe you'd like to see made? Send us a message on Facebook at Independent Lasagna Productions. Just Google it.